Hello everyone, and welcome to the webinar where we'll have a deep discussion about setups for the upcoming week. So, if you have any question, guys, just feel free to ask. Use the live chat. Okay, so for those who are watching me on YouTube, use the live chat there. I will answer all the questions that you have. And for those who are also watching me on TradingView Live, use the chat there and watch whatever you want. Just feel free to communicate. Okay, so if you're hesitating or you have any problems with trading, just use the chat. Okay, so nobody will ask a question for you. You'll have to do this. Okay, it's not hard. So hi everyone, hi OGA, and hi Manchester fan. Okay, something like that. Sorry if I spell your name incorrectly. So how was your trading week, guys? Did you take any profit? That was a really amazing setup since previous week. Forecasts. There was more than wonderful setups. So hope you are in, yeah, Manchester United fan. So you're a big fan of them, yeah. Great. So about the others, are we live on YouTube? Can anyone on YouTube please confirm that we are live there? Just use the chat. I hope that it's working fine. And use the chat to let me know where would you like guys to start the discussion. Okay, so should we start discussion on the Forex or crypto? Just use the chat, type in the Forex or crypto, then we'll start with discussing. Okay, so thank you for the confirmation on the YouTube. Alex, thank you. Really good. Okay, so Alex is fully ready. So all of you supposed to build some good positions in the previous week. Okay, so setups were at the top and positions supposed to be built, especially the big positions. Can't wait for a new week. Yeah, no one, no one can wait. Okay, evening. So Forex, we have a one vote for Forex. Come on, guys, use the chat, use the live chat. Type in the Forex or crypto. Let's see where we'll start today. I think we'll start with the Forex because crypto it's not so interesting, especially though this once the Bitcoin it's not stable at the moment. Okay, so I will not be recommending you opening any positions on the crypto. Rather stay away from it. Use your knowledge on Forex. Let's build their big positions. It's much more stable and has more wonderful setups. And yeah, the knowledge is the same, so why not? Money is waiting on you. You just have to take the action. That's all what you'll have to do. So we have two for Forex, one for crypto. Yeah, I know I can bet that the Forex will win, okay? I can bet that Forex can win this fight today, tonight. Really good. So, those who are also watching me on YouTube, please can you hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm will will help to show that video to many others who are searching for basic knowledge in understanding the financial market and especially in trading. Okay, as you know that I would love you to help build this community of people worldwide who really want to go to the next level. So let's go. Let's have let's have some talk for the Forex. As I can see, the Forex is getting the leading. Okay, so if you have any questions between the webinar when I'm talking, just feel free type in the question there. I'll answer it. I will show you it. It doesn't matter which type of the question it is. It could be also educational or I don't know about the trades. We will take a look and we will give you the best advice that we can give you. Okay, so let's go. What we are currently anticipating there on the dollar is the dollar will go down. Just a second. Okay, here goes. The dollar will go down. What we can do in the upcoming week is just wait for the flex and keep selling. Okay, keep selling. I still see that the price will go break this 88 area. Why? Everyone knows. And if you are new, you will get the information now. So we are waiting to break this low. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, we didn't break the top, but we need to break the bottom. So this is the reason why we are watching to break this bottom and especially tag it. So what it will be in the upcoming week, I really see that dollar will go down in the upcoming week. So watch for those sell setups. Okay, so for those who are not with us since really long, you will have to understand why we are selling on the flex. You're always waiting for the confirmation. Our confirmation is the flex. So if you're new, just wait for the flags before you are selling or before you are triggering your trades. Selling without having a flag, it's quite a risky, okay? Especially if you're new into the trading, because then you can get some confusions. You don't know where it's over, but flag will confirm that everything is over and you can trigger some trades. So those flags will be really visible on the 15-minute, okay? So something is already building. But that's not all what we are waiting for. Okay, so we want more. We want a little bit bigger flag and then breaking lower. Okay, so then we supposed to break really aggressively to those trend line. Okay, we supposed to not hold the trend line. Just just flag there, break aggressively and correct after breaking this trend line. Okay, so just flag and going lower. This is what we will be waiting for the upcoming week. So keep your eyes on and watch it. Dollar is giving us special and interesting setups. Because the dollar will go down, Aussie USD will go to the upside. I can see that Aussie will gain some strength across the market. So Aussie going up, dollar going lower. That's the perfect combination. So what we'll have to do, just same there as you will do in the dollar. Okay, so sideways movement, keep on adding, keep on adding, keep on adding. Okay, so the move can extend all the way back at that trend line. Okay, but for now, target is our top. This top is this top is the target that you are targeting with your trades. Okay, so that is this is your target first there, and then the previous top. I think that you can make a nice money over there in this movement. All the chief are still there, guys. Are you with me? Seems that you're dead on the chat. You're not using it as the previous days. Ciao tutti. Hello. So we have we have one Italian guy there. Hello. Please use the English because we are a little bit bad in the Italian language. So hello. I can see that there's many more people. They are just sitting in front of their computers in the peace, in the quiet, probably in the dark because they are afraid to use the chat and communicate with us. Just feel free to use the chat, okay? So we will give you the best advice for the trading decisions. So don't worry. We're not here to blame and complain over there. So let's go. Aussie Chief, what you have to do in the upcoming week. Okay, so this is the analysis from our trading academy. I will delete this everything off the chart. Okay, otherwise it can confuse you. So what you will do there, wait for the pullback, wait for the flag, wait for the setups, then take the trade all the way back at the trend line. It will be your target. Okay, so this is your target, first target. I don't think we'll break to the upside. I think we will reverse for one more down before going out of the structure. Why? Because this chief is looking for one more short-term sell, and this will just bring the Aussie chief back to the trend line, and then the chief will turn to the upside. This will bring this pair to the downside, and then will be a long-term buyers over there. Otherwise, until this, I don't see that Aussie Chief will be breaking out of this daily structure. Okay, daily correction. So this is the maximum that it will get out in the upcoming week. So wait for the correction and then simply take the trade back to the 10 line. Enjoy your profit. That will be all. Alex Dragon say Snake. Sorry. Hi everyone. So this will be also available on 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes is The time frame that you have to watch this flag, and then take the trade to the upside back to the line. Easy stuff. Okay, so guys, you already get that knowledge if you were with us in the previous weekly market outlooks. So for those who are not, just feel free to use and watch the previous weekly market outlooks. There's a lot of educational stuff. You'll completely understand how market moves, why it moves, and you'll be able to read the moves. Okay, so just take some time, watch the previous weekly market outlooks. There are really good webinars. I'm getting a lot of positive feedbacks from the people that they are watching the recordings are live there on the TradingViewer and also on YouTube on my channel. Okay, so feel free to watch them if you want to upgrade knowledge. So let's go ASEAN. What do we have there? ASEAN will also push higher. Okay, so at least breaking this top, it's quite possible. Okay, this is quite possible. So what you will have to do is same there. Okay, easy stuff. You can see, guys, that this trading, it's so easy. Just wait for the flags and taking the trades. Okay, so flag, then go for the trade. Break this top will be your target. Okay, so enough of profit, and then we will start watching for a reverse to the downside. Okay, so medium term setups are there. Also New Zealand, I think they will drop lower. So wait for the flags, wait for some price actions over there on the 5 minute, or if you are skilled, you can even watch 1 minute. Okay, you want to see clear, nice price actions before triggering the trade. But yeah, if this will go sideways now, that would be a perfect decision there to triggering your sales all the way back at the previous low. Okay, so nice trade is waiting there on you. Just be patient and watch it closely. Okay, so Aussie Cat, this is the trade that we took in our trading academy. So we've been watching this chart since really long. Okay, we've been tracking this move, we've been tracking this up, we've been tracking this move to the downside, and then we take the trade. I think we take it somewhere there. Okay, so somewhere there is where we trigger our trades. It's a nice profit. We'll put that on break even. What will be our profit? Okay, this is our profit. Okay, 4% of the profit will be there on that single trade. Easy. If not, if there will be any changes, then we will take some profit, or at least break even trade will be there. Okay, so this is what we are doing in the trading academy. We are watching every day the setups, how they are behaving, what they are doing, and when they will be completed. Okay, so we are tracking every single wave over there to see when it will be ready to trigger some trades. So we are filtering out the best potential setups for to make money for a living. So let's go. What? Oh no, let's go. I mean, let's talk about this setup. What you have to do for those who are not in our trading academy and still want to take some money, here it is. Okay, so you will have to wait again for the flag. Okay, it's so simple. Wait for the flag, take the trade. Here it is, 15-minute time frame. Something is already in the making. Okay, so give him some more time, and then consider taking this trade all the way back at the tail end. Okay, you still can catch some nice movements in on this trade. If there to be any aggressive sell, don't sell it. Okay, so if this will appear, don't sell it. We'll close it on break even. We will not be risking anything, and you also supposed to not get in that late. Okay, so what you have to do, once again, wait for flag, take the trade. This is your profit. Easy stuff. Okay, this is how charts behaves, and I can see it really nicely going back at that line, and there's where we'll have to take a decision. Depends everything about the cat, how it will behave. Okay, so I think that cat can drop down across the market really strongly, and that will break out of this daily structure. Okay, this could be a nice completed structure, daily 1 to 3. Okay, classical flag, which will be breaking out. Okay, all the way back at this top. Okay, so and if this trade will start as expected, this is our profit. Okay, so a little bit longer term profit is 13% on the single trade. But yeah, no worry, we will have to add more. That doesn't mean we will just leave this position open. I mean, only this one running, we will just adding more, adding more, adding more, adding more. This is how we will also have to do. Just keep on adding your position. 15 minutes to 1 hour is where you can spot a nice correction, nice flex to adding your trades. Are you still with me, guys? Hello? Everything seems so quiet. Okay, so great. So let's go. What we have there on the New Zealand USD, I think that the New Zealand, that's great. Still, you guys are there. You don't need to be quiet there. You don't need to be quiet. You can talk a little bit with me, so it will be much more interesting. So we need to make some fun out of that webinar. So fun and getting some knowledge. That's it. That's what we want to get out of these webinars. So let me know, guys, are you learning from those webinars, those who are there since previous weekly market outlooks? Let me know, did you improve any knowledge over there? Okay, because this is my mission is that I will improve your knowledge as much as I can on those webinars. So I'm still pulling out the information which you need that I can represent and upgrade it. Okay, it seems that you are a little bit scared to talk with me. All good, we are listening. Really great. So let's go. I will just continue there with the New Zealand USD. You just easily use the chat. So New Zealand USD, what we can have over there is, I still think that New Zealand will gain some strength and break those tops again. Okay, so prepare yourself for one more buy, and especially dollar. If it drops, then this will go nicely to the upside. So what we'll have to do is there wait for the correction and again take the trade. What about gold? Gold is doing really nicely, so it will go up. I will show the chart in approximately 5 to 10 minutes. We will talk about gold. And yeah, you're supposed to already have some buys already built it in the gold since Friday. It did a nice pullback. So yeah, we'll talk about it. New Zealand USD sideways and take the trade. New Zealand yen, same behavior there. On the New Zealand yen, I'm still holding that sell that I'm holding from there. Okay, so I'm still holding the sell from there. We'll see now how the price will develop over there. Okay, so if it goes for one more low, tagging the trend line or even breaking it and then turning to the upside. Okay, so it will be really interesting spot to watch. Okay, here is where we need to identify on, especially on lower time frames, what the price will do. Will go like sideways and lose its momentum for buy and then drop again, or it will be just gaining some strength. Okay, or it will just start pushing higher. This is what you have to be able to recognize on lower time frame before getting into the trade. News in chief, that one it's not tradable for me. Okay, so it's not for me. I want it to go a little bit lower. Okay, so lower is what I would like to see, but chief it's giving some confusions over there because chief is going is trying to push a little bit lower, and if this will go lower, that this can give us a little bit bigger correction, and once the chief will turn to the upside, then it will start pushing lower. So we are, let's say we are in the some kind in the middle of the structure. Okay, so we are in the middle of the structure, and I do not recommend that every one of you will be taking any trades over there. So just skip it for the upcoming week. New Zealand cat. Hi, hello. So I can see that people are joining the webinar, so you're a little bit late. You're a little bit late, but no worries. You are welcome. So New Zealand cat, what we are doing there is, let's have a look on the daily. Yeah, it's gonna go higher. New Zealand cat will gonna go higher. So what you have to do, let me have a quick look on the 15 minute. 15 minute, it's not the best decision to take over there. Okay, so rather wait, let it break out, let it correct, and then take the trade. Okay, so here outside of this correction, it where you would like to place the trade. Okay, this is the spot where you'll be watching for the trade to trigger. Okay, so breakout correct, then you'll take the trade. So a lot of wonderful setups is waiting there on us for the upcoming week. So make sure not miss them. Okay, so I can see that some of you are doing really great job. I'm getting a lot of messages also with people that are taking the trades and that they are improving their knowledge. So they are making money. Okay, so this is really good. This is the purpose of that webinar. Okay, do as much money as you can and grab as much knowledge as you can. Did I miss your USD? No, you didn't. But you're there on time. Okay, you are there on the time, so no worries. We will have a look at there. It's down there, you see? So I'm going just step by step. Those who are there above the Canadian are already passed, but those will be upcoming in next few minutes. So Canadian, what do we have to do? It's if you trigger some cells from there, there was some great setups. I also have setup from there, but the momentum is what I don't like. Okay, so I don't like this slow momentum. I want much stronger momentum. Okay, so but yeah, we'll see. I will place these trades simply on a break even, and then I will have to see what the price is trying to do. It may give us some correction, 5 to 15 minute drop down, and it's supposed to break out there. Okay, so it's supposed to not be holding the trend line. We want to see a totally strong break to the downside. If so, and if the price will be holding the trend line, wait, don't chase this buy. Just ignore. It will take maybe 1 day and a half, maybe 2 days to reach the top again, and then you will be a seller. Okay, so here is a spot where you would like to start watching for your sell setup. So make sure you will not get blinded or confused with the buy setups. Only be a seller on the Cadian. Okay, CAD is it's showing that it will lose its strength across the market really nicely. So this is the main reason why you supposed to not be in this buy, because I can guarantee that you will lose this. You will I mean you will miss this buy order. So focusing on the sales. This is there is the big potential. There is the money waiting on you. So why not? Okay, so you have to be able to recognize this difference. Okay, so look this small movement. Okay, this is not a money. You are risking more than you will make over there, but this is where you will make. Okay, so this is where you will make. And yeah, of course, possibility also exists that this can break out of the structure. There it will be even more money. Keep your eyes there. Watch it for the sell setups. 5 to 15 minute setup. You can sell it once it breaks down. Immediately put that rate on the break even and watch it closely around the trend line. Okay, protect yourself. If you are selling from the top, you're doing a really good job. Just place this trade on a break even and that's all. Leave it open on a break even. Catch if I think HF will go lower. This is the first part of the structure. This is the second part of the structure, and the third one is missing. Okay, so third one is missing, and then we'll complete the flat over there. Okay, so flat correction for more upside. Okay, so this is what I can see in the upcoming days. But yeah, CAD of course needs to drop lower. This chart could be quite confusing one. Okay, so if you're not skilled enough and if you're not fast enough, because once you will be selling it, you will have to be really fast. The reason is CAD is going lower and we are anticipating it to go lower to lose its strength across the market. And Chief is also showing some loss of momentum. Okay, so both of them are dropping. What does this mean for the currency market? Catch if okay, it will go like this. There it could be the correction, and then once the chief will start pushing higher, then boom, we will have this huge movement over there on the catch chief. Okay, so this is the reason and this is the behavior which you have to understand. So you'll be always in the good market, in the fast movements. So like I said, there's nothing to be afraid of. Wait for the sell setup. Okay, watch it. Once it will go by the previous low, you have to protect all your trades that you took there on the cat chief. Okay, so just protect them, put them break even, and watch them. It's nothing bad if you'll end up with a break even trade because you'll be selling it again from the top. Okay, so every top is where you will sell. Easy stuff. Just be open for the opportunities there on the market. So let's go Euro New Zealand. I want Euro New Zealand to go for one more high. Okay, so what we can have, it can still drag higher. Okay, it can still go back close to those tops, and there is where you would like to start selling it. Okay, let's have a look on 1 hour. 1 hour, it's quite aggressive. Okay, this is quite aggressive. Okay, but there are still chances it can turn to the upside. It will struggle there, and then it will still go for the upside. Quick buy. It will be there. Quick buy. Strong momentum will appear over there, and you're supposed to not be into this buy. Okay, you're supposed to not be into this. It doesn't matter if it is fast. Okay, you're not skilled enough to get out on time. And yeah, definitely, sell is what you'll be waiting for around those tops. Around there is where you will be waiting with your sniper gun to shoot for that cell, okay? If not, then what you can do, okay? If not, what you can do, wait for the correction. Sideways will appear definitely. It will form maybe in 8 hours. You will have the sideways movement, and in 8 hours you will have to be able to recognize this flat if it will appear, and then take the trade back to the trend line. You will have to see if there is the momentum which will break out of the structure, or it will go for this buy that I'm still waiting. Okay, so this is where I'll be waiting for that for the sell to trigger. Okay, from the top. Eurocat still going higher. Okay, I don't see this is not the momentum for sell. Okay, so this is not momentum for sell. If you're selling from the tops, you're doing really good. Now it's not the time for selling. Okay, don't do anything, just watch it. In case if there it will be the buy, yeah, you can consider some buys, but you need to see the nice flag there on the 15-minute outside of this correction, and then you can take this wave to the upside, at least back to the trend line, and then you'll be a seller again. Okay, so just keep an eye. You want to have a clear and nice flag over there which will appear. Otherwise, just leave it. It's not a trade for you. There are many other wonderful opportunities that are appearing across the market. So make sure you will skip the bad trades. Okay, focus on the big potential and the good looking setups. Your chief, it's one of them. Okay, your chief, it's one of them. If you want, you can consider some sells over there. Why? Chief, like I said, I've been all the time repeating the chief is showing some sell over there, and yeah, this move can easily appear. So what you can do, watch it there tomorrow or once the market will open. Watch if there it will be any flag, and then you can consider some buys. Okay, so some buy. How much you can make? I don't know. Let's see approximately. Oh, sorry, not that one. How many pips are there? Yeah, it's around 63 pips. Okay, it could be nice. 1 to 1, 1 to 2 maybe. Depends on your risk to reward ratio. And back to this top will be your target. So fast money, and then from this top you will start selling it. Basically depends what the chief will be doing. Okay, but I think the chief will go for the upside. So there it will be a nice selling opportunity there on the your chief. Then later on for this one more leg down. Okay, I still see this one more leg down, but not before tagging this high. Okay, this high needs to be tagged before going lower. So good opportunity. Put your alarms over there. If you're not interested for the sell, for the buy, sorry, you definitely need to be interested for the sell. Okay, so keep your eyes there during the week. Redraw those trend lines that I'm using it over there, and then you can just watch it by yourself. But we in our training will definitely take a deep look on those setups. Your GBP, what the your GBP is doing. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, I think that your GBP will go higher, but not before breaking this low. Let's see. We still didn't break it. Okay, so I can see it going lower, but I'm not interested for that sell over there. Okay, you see, I'm not interested for this sell. I'll just ignore it, but rather prepare yourself for the buy. Okay, so it can go a little bit lower basically, and then it will go up. But yeah, definitely watch there the lower time frame, it will clearly and nicely show you the potential signs of the reversal. Are you still with me, guys? Hello? You there? Seems everything's so quiet. Still with me? So just to remind you guys, those who are watching me on YouTube, please help and like the video so that will help YouTube algorithm to show my videos, so the new traders and those who would like to go to the next level will be able to see my videos, will be able to find me, and they can improve their knowledge. Okay, so please share it, like it, so the others will be also able to see it and learn from it. So you guys are looking that you're preparing your fingers to click the sell or buy. I hope you're not so nervous. No, no, I don't have flu. I don't have a flu. I'm just having allergies. Okay, so I'm allergic, and yeah, that's been since 3 weeks now. It's really a stupid diagnosis that I'm having in this summertime, but yeah, it will pass. It is like a passing flu, but it just takes 1 or 2 months of this sneezing. Okay, so yeah, sometimes could be really annoying to hear me like that, but it will be over for 1 month. Stay patient. Like with the trades. So let's go. Let's go. Let's continue. Oh yeah, watch for this buy over there. Your USD. Okay, so here it is. Let's talk about your USD. That one guy is being asking if he missed it. You did miss it. Here it goes. Okay, so here it is. What we can see there, it's going higher. Okay, so dollar going lower, and we we can expect there the sideways movement, and then one more wave to the upside. You can buy before breaking out of the structure. Don't wait there to break out of this structure. Okay, so you can catch the trade earlier there on the 5 to 15 minute. Okay, so you will be able to watch it and spot it before it will break out, so you don't need to wait that long. If you wait that long for this buy, then you will end up with the big problems. Buying there, it makes no sense. Look at that one. You have no time to manage your trade, okay? And you are at the top. So that makes no sense. This is the reason why you guys will have to get in there before we will reach that trend line. Yeah, thank you very much, Alex. So he's saying, guys, put some likes. It's a small price for what we are taking. That's it. I'm doing my best to give you as much knowledge as I can. So this like will be really small thing that you can do for me. So yeah, wait there, sideways and go. Okay, so I think it's clear there on your USD. It's not complicated setup, but definitely you would like to start watch for the sell stop once we'll break this high. Okay, breaking this high, then we'll start watching for our sell setups. That sell setups will be really nice over there, down back to the trend line. Okay, so probably 3 to 4% will be of the profit in this sell. So make sure you'll be catch it. But for buy, I will not be angry if you'll not if you'll not catch it. So easy. No panic if you will miss the buy, but you can train. Okay, so you can watch it. You can prepare yourself on this move will be appearing. Thank you very much. So one guy is saying you are doing great. I'm doing my best, and we'll do that until I will be alive. Okay, so so let's go. You're Aussie. What can I say? This is more than a beautiful setup. Okay, so we've been talking about this setup. We took it in our academy. Okay, so we've been watching it, tracing it all week. The whole week is what we've been tracing, and ta-da! There it is. It goes really slowly. I think that one of you guys who is watching the free webinars has also catch it. So congratulations also to him. And I want that every one of you there on the chat now will say, yeah, I also catch it. Okay, so let's go. What you have to do is just wait for the flags, continue adding. Okay, so add some trades. If you not, we will add definitely more trades on the corrections. How far back in the trend line? Okay, so what I would like to see is completely breaking out of this structure of this correction, daily correction. Why? Because I can see that this daily over there, it's a nice money which is waiting for us. Okay, so this trade will make a lot of money. Back to the previous bottom, it will give us 11% of the profit. So 10 trades like this and we will double our accounts really easily by risking 1%. So this is what we are watching. Okay, so there is the example what we are watching. We are just picking those powerful setups which are having a big potential and which will really grow our accounts by only watching the trades goes in our direction, just adding some more trades, because we will add some more trades, and until it will reach this bottom we will at least make around 20%. Okay, only by trading on one single currency pair. Okay, so 20% of the profit supposed to be made once the chart will go back at the bottom. Okay, so every one of you supposed to follow the same rules. Okay, keep on adding. Watch the trade. It's not gone, guys. Okay, don't feel frustrations if you miss it from the top. I know it's really hard to catch it from the top. This is why we are having the 6 to 8 weeks training course, that people will be able to catch it from the beginning to the bottom. Okay, but you are not so experienced, so you'll have to watch for the flags there and keep on adding, keep on adding, keep on adding. Okay, they always does. You can see this. Look at that one. They are always correcting once they are falling. So no worries. You will find those corrections, especially on 5, 15, and 1 hour time frames. Okay, so there is where you will watch for the flex, where you will be adding the trades. Okay, we will also add some couple of trades because we want to make more money. That's not enough. 11% is it's not good. I want more. So let's go next setup. So euros next week, everyone's supposed to have a nice profit on it. Euro yen, not tradable for me. That's momentum. It's not looking good. If you are having the trade from there around the top or even there before it breaks out of the structure, that's good. Put your trades on the break even, and what you have to do, just wait for the corrections and then add some trades. But I don't see this area and will go lower. Okay, I'm much more that this will turn to the upside, break this top, and then we're selling. Okay, so I would rather wait. I would rather wait to just break the tops. Okay, that's all what I will do. That's not a momentum for sell. At least not for me. Maybe for some of people this is the momentum of sell, but you'll end up with big troubles if this will started to turning. Okay, because it can go really slowly, and could be really tricky movement. Okay, those are the situations that market is playing with our emotions. Don't let them play with your emotions. Be stronger. Don't let the market confuse you. So yeah, rather skip it. Once you will see that it will break the top, then you can take the trades. Pound USD, also good opportunity. So still in the making. Watch there, 15 minute, 5 minute going higher before tagging the trend line. This high you supposed to catch the trade. If not, rather watch for the selling. Okay, so we are at the top of the structure. There's one more wave which is preparing there. It's setting up, and it can just easily break. This top needs to be broken. Why? The answer is the weekly. Okay, weekly is the answer. I want to see this one. It can go a little bit higher, okay, and then it will go lower. That will be some sort of expanded flat over there, which will push the pound USD to the downside. Okay, but we just have to finish this weekly move. Okay, I want to see the break of this top over there. So this is the reason why I can see that this correction can just explode to the upside and then it can start to reverse. Okay, so it's worth of taking it. I'm already the buyer from there. Okay, I bought it on Friday. I have two trades. One is from there and one is from there. Let me just zoom in here. One trade is somewhere there and another one is there. Okay, so I have two trades. We'll see how I place both of them on the break even. We'll see how they will place out. But yeah, definitely if there will be a nice correction, I will add more. Okay, so here was the for sell and the reversed option will be for buy. You see, it's all simple. This is the buy flag, this is the sell, this is the sell flag, buy, buy, buy. Okay, so it's so easy. It's so easy to understand and it's so easy to read the market. You just need to be patient. No rush, guys. Be calm, be focused. Don't rush in the trade. Nothing will go without you because nothing moves in a single candle. Okay, it always takes a few hours before it moves itself. So don't be buying in the trending. Okay, so if you think that you missed it once it will start to go, rather skip it. Okay, so if you weren't in front of your computer on time, if you skip it with I don't know what kind of the reasons, just let it go. Don't jump in and think that you will miss something. You will never miss anything. Okay, there is always a new opportunity that is waiting for you. Okay, so opportunity is always there to waiting on you. Be calm, be relaxed, switch to another setup. There are a lot of pairs that are forming. There's always something to trade. Always something to trade. So watch it easily and then take the trade. But definitely buy it's a good idea. Pound chief, what a confusing chart. Okay, so I don't see that this is all the correction. I would rather wait. I need more details than I can predict which kind which pattern will be developing over there, but yeah, it can go one more high, break this top, going lower, breaking this low, and then going higher, again breaking these tops, and then it can go lower. Okay, so here is where patterns can get complicated, and here is where you guys can be stuck. Okay, so don't be stuck in that kind of situation. Let it plays out. Okay, and watch the good spots for entering the trade. Don't just getting into the trade in the middle of the market, in the middle of the pattern. That makes no sense. It will also give you the bad risk reward ratio and you will not be making any money. It will just make you nervous. So try to get in on the tops or on the bottoms. Okay, so you know that we're always talking about sell high and buy low. Okay, so this is same thing, same technique that you have to apply, but sometimes that feels and sounds so easy, but it's not that easy. Okay, you have to recognize the pattern on time before it will complete itself. Then you will know where's the top and where's the bottom. So here's the nice example. If not, then rather wait. Okay, look at that one. There are many other setups that are waiting for you. So I don't see the reasons to push the market. Okay, so pound yen. Good evening, Marian. Where have you been that long? We are already live 15 minutes. 50 minutes. So you're a little bit late. So 50 minutes are already gone. So let's go. It seems that you will have to watch the recording. So pound yen, I would wait. Okay, so if you sell there, it doesn't matter where, you are doing great. Put it on break even. For the others, what you can do, let it drop, let it correct, and get in. Okay, this correction, then getting in back to the low. But what it can appear there on the pound yen, it can still push for one more up. So be careful. Don't be buying without this flag. Okay, this flag is when and what will be the reason, what will be the confirmation this. Okay, this will be the confirmation for a sell. Otherwise, no, I don't recommend it. Can still turn to the upside. Pound New Zealand struggling there. I don't recommend taking any trades. It can still go lower and one more high and then it will go lower. Okay, so watch it. Once it will break those highs over there, then you can start watching for sell. Okay, so keep your eyes there. Let it break and then you watch for this sell, which will come over there. How far? At least back at the trend line. This is what you have to watch. Okay, something like this. No, sorry, something like this. Now, first wave, second wave going a little bit higher, breaks those tops, going lower and not breaking these lows, giving you the running flat formation, going higher, break those tops, and then it will go lower. Okay, so this is how pound New Zealand can develop during the week, in the upcoming week. So don't sell it right now. I would rather wait this to reach the top, break these tops, then going lower will be seller there, watching to take some profit and not breaking the low, and then I will be a buyer to break this top. So easy, easy behavior over there. Just be patient and don't rush in the trade. Pound Aussie. Ta-da! It's a so good trade again. Okay, so Aussie across the market give us a wonderful setups there in the previous week. Okay, on the Friday there was more than a wonderful moves. I cannot describe them how they were good. So you're supposed to also have those trades. If not, I do not recommend doing anything, especially not around the trend line. Okay, this will be your bad entry point. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to do. Maybe it can even break the low and then corrects there. Then you can take the trade. Okay, but not triggering the trades across. I mean around the trend line. Okay, so that will not be good idea. Not a good idea because its chart can still struggle a little bit going higher, break those tops over there. Okay, both of those tops can be breaking, and then there it will be a nice sell. And if this will appear, I will be even happier. Why? Because it will go higher. I will, of course, be stopped out on the break even. And higher as it goes, the better risk to reward it gives me, the more profit is waiting there on me, and more money I can put there in. So make sure you will watch it from this top if it goes higher. So let's pray it will go over one more high. It will give us a tremendous money over there. So watch it. If going lower, yeah, then just simply wait for the correction. It's gonna take up 2 to 3 days, maybe on the Wednesday. There it could be correction, but we have to track it. We'll see. It can easily turn to the upside. Okay, so like I said, I will be really happy if this buy will appear over there. Seriously, I will be happy if this buy will appear there because it's gonna give me a nice setup over there. Marian has said night shift have killed me. I felt like 10 trucks run over me. Yeah, I know those night shifts could be really difficult. Okay, so I feel you, but you will be good in next few days. You will recover from the night shifts, or the night shifts will recover from you. Are you live during trading hours? What did you mean? Are you live during trading hours? Did you mean if I am live today, or did you mean if I'm live during the week, or what exactly is the question for? We are live every day in our trading academy. All the time, 24/7, we are live in our academy. During the day, we are live only only in academy. Not there for the general public. For the general public, I'm only on Sunday. Okay, every Sunday, 8 p.m. my time, GMT +2 +1. Sorry, is where I'm live for the general public. But during the week, during the days, we are fully active in the academy. So if you guys are interested to join the academy, feel free to join it under the link under the window. Sorry, under the video, you'll find the link tradewithmaster.eu. This is the website. You will just simply go to the website, choose the membership that fits with you, and in approximately few hours, 5 to 6 hours, I will add you to our wonderful community. Okay, where you will have the access to the trading videos. Okay, this is 6 to 8 weeks trading course where you have to watch all those videos. You have to practice so you'll understand into details how those patterns develop and so on. Okay, and then there it will be in the community every day. We are having a daily webinar where we are watching the setups, the potential setups, which are almost ready to trigger and which are giving us the best risk to reward ratio. Okay, so those who are, let's say, the hottest one. Okay, that's how we work. And of course, The membership, it's with the lifetime access, so once you are with us forever. This is really good. Okay, being with us is really positive for you and especially for your bank account. It will be keep growing if it will be with us. So there are a lot of positive benefits being the member of our wonderful community. Do you think that bonds are driving the market? No, nothing is driving the market because every economy is separated and nothing can drive the market. Okay, so that's not true. Okay, watch every economy being the separated one. Okay, and especially try to avoid reading the news. Okay, guys, I seen that a lot of people are watching the fundamentals. They are reading a lot of news. They are just scrolling around the news. They know what every politics are talking about and so on, and that's so useful. Okay, this will just mislead you. The news are there just to give you some confusions. It will mislead you. You will be late in the trades if you'll be watching the news, and after all, you will get mad because you will miss the move. But from the news you'll not be able to forecast the wave. Okay, so let's say news are always fake. Okay, this is what we've been talking on the Friday in the webinar. I've been talking about the dollar, the dollar, the NFP, so everyone knows about the NFP. So what we have been talking on the Friday in the academy, it's especially this one. Let me show you. Okay, so I forecasted that the dollar will go down. Okay, so a few hours ago, I have forecasted the dollar will drop down. So this is the big benefit being the member there. We've been talking about these numbers and these, and I told to everyone in our academy that those numbers are fake, especially the forecast. Okay, the forecast is that the price will go to the upside, and then when we have a deep discussion, we know that the dollar will go down during the NFP event. Okay, so and guess what really happened? It went down really nicely. Okay, so my members who are watching now and listening, they knows exactly what we've been talking about, and this is the reason why we are not watching and reading the news. Okay, they will just mislead you, and yeah, you cannot apply them in trading. So rather skip them, ignore them, and focus on the patterns, focus on the charts. The chart is the only database or only data that will tells you exactly what will happen, when it's ready, when we'll go, and when to get into the trade. Okay, so stick to it, stick to the charts, stick to the naked charts, and they are here to tell you. You just need to read them correctly. Okay, read them correctly, like you learn to read the letters. You have to learn how to read the candles. It's really powerful stuff once you will understand them, and every move is predictable. Okay, so every single move there on the chart is predictable, but I will not go now into those details because this is really long procedure. If I would like to describe, this is the 6 week to 8 weeks trading course before you will understand that behavior. But and this webinar will also take too long if I will be start describing about that. So let's go. Let's move to the charts. Pound cat, what we are having over there, it's Marian, it's showing. Oh my god, naked. I like that part even when chart are in question. Yeah, naked chart is so sexy. When I see the naked chart, that's like a dollars on my screen that is popping up. So pound cat, what do we have there? It's basically nothing. Okay, I do not recommend you getting into those trades. It will go higher, at least breaking this top, then becomes dangerous. Okay, if you want to push this pound cat, you can go for it, but I really do not recommend you into that getting into that trade. So skip it. Pound Nokian going lower, you'll know where it is going. Okay, it's going down back at that low. So can I sell? Yes, you can sell. Watch lower time frame corrections over there. Go watch for your selling opportunities. Okay, so is it small trade is there? You cannot get out 10% of the profit, but you can at least 1.5, maybe 2% of the profit is what you will get out from the market if you will be trading back to this low. So Chief Yen, this is really slow moving chart. Okay, so I've been in the trade also there, been holding this trade on a break even since really long now, and yeah, it's not moving as you can see, guys. This is going really slowly without any momentum of the downside. So what we can expect in the upcoming days, I will keep this trade on the break even. Okay, so I will not touch it. If any one of you is there in the trade, also it doesn't matter where exactly, put them on break even. There's not a momentum for sell, but it's not worth of closing the trade. Okay, so don't do stuff like that. If you have trades there, they're there wherever you'll have them. Don't close them because you think it will turn to the upside. No, put them on the break even because this is not your target. You can only close and take profit when the trade will be on your target or when it will go based on your analysis. Okay, so if I'll talk about this one, I open my trade there, I put it on break even. If I close it there, this will be stupid behavior because my analysis is it will go at least back the trend line. Okay, so why would I close it over there? That makes no sense. Risk to reward ratio will be also bad. And this is the small money which I will make over there. And yeah, I have the perfect entry. Okay, so if I will get in, I have the perfect entry. Why will I just reopening the trades? No, that makes no sense. Put it on break even and let it do whatever charts needs to do. Okay, just move to the others. What you can do during the week, if there will be the correction, you can consider selling, but be really careful. If you're not skilled, I do not recommend you taking any trades on the chief yen for a selling opportunity. Why? Let me show you the reason why. We have a one move, second move, and the third move, which can just break this bottom, and then it can turn to the upside, break the top, and then reverse to the downside. Okay, so here is how you can get stuck. You will start selling, it will go down, you will be stopped out, and then you will start buying, you will start selling, you will be stopped out, it will go down, and you will miss the trade. Okay, this is the behavior how our mind is working if it's not well trained or if there are no rules how to get into the market. So yeah, it's difficult chart to trade right now. Easily can turn to the upside. So rather watch the others. Chief Nokian, small down and then up. Okay, so this is what we can have. So still nothing there. So leave them. Leave those Chief Yan and Chief Nokian totally. Okay, they are not potential. They are not potential right now, especially now. We'll watch them next week on the next Sunday. We will see if there will be any setup, but for now, leave them alone. USD Chief. I think that everyone see the clear sense of the direction. So sideways there, flag, take the trade before tagging the trend line. Okay, so I will be keep reminding you before tagging the trend line. Get in now, somewhere there, not now, somewhere there when it will form the flag. Once it will be breaking, then you will not be, or once it will be on the trend line, you're supposed to not do anything. Then you will have to wait, break it, and then correct. Then you can get into the trade. Okay, so this is like a dangerous spot with no selling. Okay, so you can put some note, don't sell on the lower trend line there. So yeah, flag there or flag there, that's it. USDN, nothing to say. Perfect trade was there also, discussing about that one in the academy. So what you have to do for the general public, I don't recommend a sell. Okay, so no selling there. Not every one of you supposed to be a seller because chart can struggle, and then it will push to the upside, break those tops, and then it can go lower, break this low, and then it will go higher. Okay, so this is how pattern can develop during the day. So during the week, sorry, not the day. So what you have to do, rather watch to be a buyer somewhere there with a nice flag over there, Okay, so you want to see the price action or flag over there around the trend line, then you can start buying. Okay, so buy can also form a nice potential setups over there. Okay, so somewhere there, let's say you'll try to grab it somewhere there, stop loss like this, I don't know, depends on the impulse, and then it will go back at the previous stop. Okay, so there is much more money if you'll be watching for the buy. Okay, so buy is around 5% of the profit, so rather be patient, you will get the reward for being patient. Okay, so your reward for being patient will be 5% of the profit. So let's say who is not patient, they don't deserve the profit. So be patient. I can guarantee you'll get nice money over there. So yeah, watch definitely for the buy stops. Use the get sell, it's active there. What you can do, you can keep selling. Okay, so watch sell setups. Like I said, 5 15 minute 1 hour, it's your friend for your flex. Okay, so keep on watching it. Add sell, don't add multiple trades, only one trade, that's all. It's not gonna go far, probably it will just hit those lows. Okay, probably even breaking it, and then it can start at 2 turns. So it's not a big trade over there, so one small trade is there, that's all. Take profit and get out of the market with the sells over there. Use the Mexican going down. What you can do, wait for the flex, sell, 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 sell. Okay, how far we are selling it back at this low at least. So nice profit is there. Something like this is waiting there on you. Okay, it will follow the dollar movement. So yeah, that was a running flat over there. So those who don't know the patterns, this is the running flat, 1 2 3. So what the price will do, it will just go lower, at least breaking this low. So try to catch some trades over there down back at this low. Are you still with me, guys? Hello? You there? Seems that you guys are fall asleep. Or I hope you're not shocked about the knowledge. It's not that hard. Let me calm down. It's not that hard. It's easy once you understand and gain the knowledge and experiences. So we use the Nokia, nothing there. Okay, just leave them. Second, going lower. So Swedish Corona. This coronavirus from Swedish is not going anywhere. I'm just kidding. Oh, people are still there. Oh, great, great, great. So you didn't fall asleep. That's great. I thought that everyone is gone now and they think, oh, that stuff is so complicated. I don't know what to do. No, it's not so. That's good. That's good. You're still listening. So what we can have there? Yeah, let's see some more flex down back, breaking this low. So yeah. Not good chart basically. Not a good shot, but you can give a try. Find the flag. Not there on the turn line. Okay, let's even let it break and then have a try. Move break even fast, and that will be all. Gold. Look at that one. That was the nice chart. Okay, just got here wide awake. That's good. So let's see sorry on the let's say gold. Yeah, sorry for that. On the gold, we've all been tracking these on the previous weekly market outlooks. Okay, so everyone knows about this move. I was telling you, don't go for the buy. It's not gonna go far. So let's wait to drop lower. So what it did, it drops slower. So what is your next step? What you'll have to do? Wait for the flag. You already knows. And after the flag, you can start watching for the buy. Okay, so where the gold is going to the upside. Ta-da! It's so easy, right? So one more question is there, or one more reminder: don't get into the trade there around the top. Okay, why not around the top? Because correction can get bigger. This is just a small expanded photo there which can transform into the bigger correction. And look at that one. Okay, something like this can appear. It will stop by the previous top, it will go down, stop by the previous bottom, and then it will go to the top. Okay, so This is the reason why you're supposed to not have any buy over there around the previous stop, because you will have no time to manage your trade. Okay, so as you know that in trading it's really important where you will get in, and the timing is the most important thing in trading. Okay, so if you get in on a good spot with the good timing, with the good interest point, then the option for risk management will open for you. Otherwise the market will push you and you will stay without any option of managing your trade. Okay, and this is really bad stuff. Everyone knows that in trading it's really important that you are having option available to manage your trades. Okay, so keep that keep that in mind. Okay, learning, taking notes, really good. Okay, so guys, you are learning. That's it, perfect. That's the purpose of the webinar. Just taking some notes, but I think that you'll need a book. Take some spare lists for the notes. Good one. So that's it. Silver going really nicely down. Okay, so here's the nice example. Everyone was there in the previous weekly market outlook, sorry. We've been watching for this move. We know once this move will be completed, what it will appear, it will go up. Okay, so here's the power of the knowledge. We are tracking every single movement on the market. Okay, so and this is powerful. On the way like that, you can predict, or sorry, you can place your trades, and you can manage trades and so on, because you understand where the market will go in the upcoming movement. Okay, so based on those moves, we all knows where we can start buying and where is the time to start watching for the buy setups. And ta-da! There it goes. The profit is there. You've been again rewarded. Okay, so what you can do, the others who are not in the trade, let's wait for some pullback. Okay, you want to see the pullback over there. This will be, again, you already knows, 5, 15 minute and 1 hour time frame. There it will be the correction or a pullback, however you will call it, and then it will start pushing higher. Okay, and there is the time when you will get into the trade. Don't buy the breakout. Okay, so I have seen that many of people are trying to buy the 4 hour breakouts. That makes no sense. Okay, if you will be buying the breakout, you will end up with a big problems, and you can also easily get frustrated. Your emotion will push you that you will do some stupid mistakes. That's just the rule of the emotion. Okay, emotions can confuse you really hard, especially when you're watching those red numbers, when you see those drawdowns. Okay, they can totally confuse you. So try to avoid getting in there. Let me show you why. If you get in to the market before the breakout will appear, this is good. Why? Look at that one. You will have a time to put it on break even. You will have time to watch. You don't need to stare every second in the chart and panicking. Okay, because once it will hit the trend, then you will have to start panicking. Otherwise, for those who will be buying there, look at that. What can happen? This will go down, up, down. Your trade will be open. This will go down, hit your stop loss, and then it will go up. Okay, then guess what? Stopped out, and then you will be angry because you missed the trade, or you had the buy and then it's going, and so on. Okay, so like I said, entry and the timing and the place where you're getting into the market is really important. And here it is. Here's the answer. Easy. Do you hold physically metals? Not yet. Okay, not yet. I'm not holding them, but will in nearly future I will hold them. So sugar, what do we have there on the sugar? Nothing. It's going higher, but there it can be just the correction. Some correction can appear there before going higher. So flat there in the middle. Okay, so flat in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and then it can go up, breaking these tops, and then it can start turning to the downside. Okay, so here's how the sugar can behave during the week. Total this move can appear. Probably this can be over until the Wednesday. Okay, this flat can be over until the Wednesday, and then to start pushing higher. Thursday, Friday, it can reach the top and then can start dropping lower next week. I mean, in 10 days. US oil, it's on the top. Okay, so everyone's supposed to. Okay, sorry for that. Just a second. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Uh, yeah, watch for your selling opportunities. Okay, so watch for sell there on the oil. Oil will go lower back at the trend line at least, but I can see it going even lower. So what you can have there is one small running flat, and then it will continue the upside, break this top. Okay, so let me just zoom out a little bit for better understanding. So here it is. Okay, so this expanded flat, so 1 2 3, not breaking the low, and then it can just go breaking this high. It needs to break this high. Okay, and then it will go back at the low probably. Okay, but it's too far to say for this movement right now. It's the weekly, as you know. So we just have to wait first for this move to complete. Yeah, but don't expect this move to break this low. Okay, I don't see it. Okay, I don't see that this move will break the bottom. You can definitely take some sells. Okay, Boris is saying thanks for perfect explanation. You are welcome. As you know that I will always give as much information as I can. So yeah, watch for your sell. So there, it will be a nice medium term sell. Sorry. Okay, something like this can appear over there. Drop, up, drop. Okay, something like this, and then one more up, and then can go lower and then up. Okay, so this is how it can behave there. Same with UKO. Okay, there is not big difference. Same stuff, same behavior. Okay, so going higher, lower, and then back at the trend line or even lower. Okay, so let's see. This UK oil, it's even better. Okay, this one can still form the flat. Okay, this is still has a possibility to form the flat. So 1 2 and 3 back at this low, and then going higher and then low. Okay, so here's the move that you have to watch for the upcoming week. So selling could be a nice idea over there. It's making sense, but don't just jump in. Wait for some price actions. Indices, what you can do, don't get frustrated with this buy over there. Okay, that buy not gonna last longer. Okay, so this is just the extension of the correction there in the middle. How far it can go, it can even go and tag the top. Okay, so scroll slowly back at the top, and then it will drop down. Okay, back at this low. Okay, so keep an eye, watch this during the week how it will develop, but definitely you will have to watch for your sell setups. Okay, sell setup is your friend on the indices. Nasdaq 100. That one is going up. It will quickly probably break the top. Okay, this is what I can see. Breaking this top really quickly. 1 2 3, breaking the top, and it will start to reverse. Okay, so US 100, Nasdaq 100 needs some time before it will develop, and then it will start to turning to the downside. The premiums are very high for physical for me now. Yeah, they are quite high. Quite high prices. So SP 500, same there. It can even tag and a little bit break it, and then it will go lower. Okay, so give him some time. Probably on Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe you will be able to watch for sell setups over there, and that wave to the downside. Okay, so this wave to the downside will be over there. Okay, so come on, like this, and back at the low. Okay, so this will be your trade. But let it slowly just give you one small movement to the upside. It's not gonna be long. It will be the small, easy, fast movement. German 30 is the best opportunity which you can watch. Okay, so German 30 is the most interesting. It's gonna go lower. So every one of you, if you are watching it, look at it where we are. Okay, so we are really high, and this move it's knocking on the door. Okay, so this sell it's knocking on the door. Why not to take it? Okay, so there's just the question, why not to take it if something is knocking on the doors? So what you have to do, just watch lower time frame, price action, take your trades all the way back. This is the minimum what you can have, but if you'll be lucky, this can break out. Okay, so this can break out, same like this one. Okay, so you can have that kind of the movement over there. It's possible, but first what you are aiming at is this one. You are aiming the trend line. So just Watch it during the day. Well, you never know who is knocking. I know, I know. I can bet that I'm knocking all the time on the doors. So, well, I can bet that. What we have there on the UK 100, a little bit higher, going higher, close to those tops probably, and then to go lower. This UK 100 is not that good than the others. So rather watch other setups. Leave that UK 100. It's not that good. Okay. But if you feel it, you can watch it, of course. Yeah, watch it. Back at that and if you're lucky, boom, this is your target. Okay, so something like this can appear over there, and then one more up, and then one more down. Okay, so this is possibility which exists over there on the UK 100. Yeah, so it was you knock a few days ago. Yep, that was me. So that's it with the Forex indices and commodities. That's all. Do you guys have any questions? We can have a small talk on the crypto. Crypto it's not that stable those days, and I do not recommend you taking any trades over there. And yeah, rather wait, watch until the Bitcoin will get stable. And I think and I can see that Bitcoin can even go lower. So let's have a see there the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin what is doing and what we can anticipate there for the crypto market to appear over the week. Mm, this can struggle there going higher, okay, and now there's the question how far this move can go. I think that this move can go at least back to 41k. Okay, 41k is where the price will go, probably struggle there. It can go even higher, maybe to 40, I don't know, let's say for 42k, 42k maybe something like this, and then it will drop down. Okay, so and this is the my reason why I do not recommend you taking any trades there on the crypto. But yeah, if you feel that you need to trade, you can use the chat, and I will add the pair that you're watching on. We will show you the movement for the upcoming week, and yeah, we will discuss about it. So feel free to share the pair that you're watching on the crypto. We will take a look and we will see if it is worth of trading. Sometimes it could appear that maybe one or two trades there on the crypto will be possible to trade, and you'll be able to make any money. Yeah, sell part. The whole market is selling. Okay, so what do we have there? Nothing. This can just go one more higher, breaking those tops. Okay, something like this, and then going lower. KNC same there. Okay, so KNC, this was in the trading academy. Okay, so I have posted for my traders that they will be able to choose. They have only to choose two pairs. Okay, I give them KNC LTLM. Okay, so they get only two setups. I share with them only two setups. We will be able to pick, and this one KNC went really nicely. It went almost 60%. 60% of the profit went there, and it can still go. How far it can go? It can even go slowly back at the top. But I don't recommend you taking any trades over there. This will be a stupid idea, or they're taking the trade, so it's gone. TLM, this one is struggling there, and I don't see it pushing higher. It can even go lower, back at this bottom, breaking this high, and then to go lower. Okay, so you see that's look like a nice sell over there. Same there, Dogecoin. What is trying to do is trying to struggle there, going lower and then going higher and then going lower and then going higher. Okay, so this can develop, but like I said, I will not be trading there between those small movements. I want only big money and big, big movements, big momentum. Nothing special over there. Also, BQX, it can also drag lower really nicely and fast, as I can see, and as we can see that crypto is waiting on the Bitcoin what to do. So they're also It can go back at the top, going back at this low, and then going higher, break this top, and then going lower. Okay, so you can see those complications which are not worth of triggering the trades. Okay, so same there. So those who are watching the crypto only, move immediately in Forex. There is where you will make money for a living. Crypto is dead. The whole crypto is dead for me at the moment. So what else can we have there? Going lower and then going higher. They wait for Musk. People on Facebook are waiting for Elon Musk. We are not waiting for people to move the market because we know that people aren't moving the market. So what else do we have there? Same there, sell opportunity. Okay, so sell it. TRX building. How far are breaking those lows over there? Okay, this is what we can have. Break those lows easily. And yeah, no opportunity. Same there, same stuff. Dragging lower, back at this low. So this is the sell there. You can see most of them are showing a nice sell. Potential is there. Going higher, going lower. Same there. IOST Bitcoin, nothing special. Okay, so most of them are sell. So I will not spend the time where they're talking about setups that are not going. Okay, so this one going higher, break the top, giving you the bigger sell, and then going lower. Okay, so this is what it can appear during the week. Sorry. Musk is new Chuck Norris. Yeah. For the people with no knowledge. Musk is really smart guy. Okay, so he understands the behavior of the market. Okay, he always does good moves. I mean, he's not affecting the momentum on the market. He's just following the market. He's just using the momentum to make some money. So he's a smart guy. But just news. Okay, here is again the proof that news are just spreading fake news between the people. News are just spreading some hate between people and misleading information and so on. So this is the reason why I do not recommend you watching, reading the news. Okay. Nothing there. Ramp. Nothing there. Theta Bitcoin. Same there. This one is almost over. Don't buy at the top. Makes no sense. Audio Bitcoin, same there, going lower, low. It will go lower, yes, back at this low, and then going higher and then lower. You see, then most of them are showing the same kind of the pattern over there. Musk is new Chuck Norris. Yeah. Elon the Chucky. Elon the Chucky. Chuck Norris. So THR Bitcoin going lower, tagging this low, going higher, and tagging this top. So yeah, that's not nothing interesting for me. Maybe this one. You can keep watching for buy stops back at the top. Maybe you'll find some buy stops. Okay, so slowly. Mm, this one is gone over there, so same there, back at the top. Nothing interesting is there, guys. Nah, it's worth of scrolling between those charts. XRP it's also behaves the same as Bitcoin does. Okay, so this is the pattern there in the middle. It will go back, break those tops, and then it will start again breaking lower. Okay, so watch it. It will behave there sideways like a Bitcoin does, and then it will go down. So be aware, watch it. If you're a buyer, keep an eye there. It will go for one more up, but not not really aggressively. Slow move will be there, and try to make a decision over there, taking off your profit. Okay, so that's it. Let's see, guys. Do we have any questions? If you have any questions, just feel free to use the chat. I will answer it. If not, then I will slowly end the webinar over there. So if you guys are interested to join my team and to join my wonderful academy with wonderful people, just feel free to visit the link. Link is under the video, or simply type in tradewithmaster.eu, go to the membership tab and choose the membership that fits with you. Okay, the all memberships are The all memberships are with the lifetime access. So once you are with us, you'll be there forever. So having us in our life is really good benefit for you and especially for your account. So if you have any questions, also just feel free to contact me. You can join the Telegram. There's my contact link, so you can send me the message. You can also send me the message there on the Trading View. If you have any question, I will answer. Or you can also send me the email. I'm answering everywhere. Okay, so feel free to ask and contact if you need any additional informations. Marian, yes, and now it's been almost 1 hour and a half. We've been there 1 hour and a half. Isn't that enough? I'm almost losing my voice. So no questions. This is great. No questions. So everything is clear. Everyone knows what to do. That's perfect. That's perfect. So I do anticipate you'll make money from there. Thanks for your knowledge, Chris. Let's have a great week. Let's have a great week with many peeps. Same for you, Alex. Let's do this. Let's make and let's pull up your bank account. Let's grab that money from the market. But don't buy the dip like Marian's saying. Marian is just joking. No dips. Thanks for you for today. Thank you also for joining us. So please help me to share the link with others. There are many other people that are waiting for this webinar to display and pop up on their screens. So I can see that many of you haven't heard, or some of them are first time there and they are shocked how much knowledge is there and oh my gosh and so on. Yeah, so this is the reason why I will please you to share the link with others so they will be able to get some basic knowledge, to understand the markets better, and to not lose their money over there, okay, with the people on the Facebook that has no idea and they are talking just buy the dip, buy the dip. Okay, so yeah, you didn't do the Forex for a while, but you'll have to switch, Alex. You'll have to switch for the Forex right now. It's going a nice setups over there. Yep, we put our money and the market obey us. Yeah, something like that. Thanks for efforts. You are welcome, buddy. Just grab as much knowledge as you can from those webinars. You can also join us if you want. Thank you mostly for your humor. Yeah, it needs to be fun a little bit. Thank you for all your help. See you next Sunday. Yep. You are welcome, guys. I'm really happy to see that positive feedback from you. And especially, I'm happy when I see that you are improving your knowledge. So that's it. Tonight I'll review the 2020 course. Yeah, just watch it. There's a lot of good stuff in there. I'm already preparing a new training course. Okay, so this training course will be the breathtaking because the next course is what I'm doing. I'm getting as much feedback as I can from the people that are struggling the most, and based on their mistakes and based on their struggles, I am preparing the new training course, and it will be really, really, really big stuff. Okay, and it will just the powerful stuff there inside, just to improve and to boost your knowledge as much as it can. Yes, it's just not moving on crypto. I crashed out. Yeah, just move on the forex. It's much more stable. You're close to me. Yeah. So guys, just prepare a question for next time because now it's just a little bit quiet, and use this webinar for an upgrade. Big. So that's it. Take care, everyone. just enjoy the profits, enjoy the trading week, learn as much as you can, rewatch the video, share with others, like it, and take that money out from the market. It's just waiting there on you. You just need a little bit, be much more focused, and that's it. That's all what you have to do. Okay? So take care, enjoy your day, and see you next Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.